them. What is for them? Look
Never
at the
did like
control of
that,
matter.
yeah.
You're not the DJ. Give me the phone. Give me the phone.
Yeah, my people, big up on yourself, you know. So right now, we're going on a rundown of a quick massacre documentary, you see me? So, I keep on tell people say, oh, 2010 was the first time when I witness and I can recall seeing Massacre making his entry in a dancehall. See? 2010. So, kind of people at them say, nah man, Massacre never did about 2010 after Cartel got jail and whatever. So, I scour the internet to look for some facts where she will say 2010 him did a put out content. And you know, a lot of people did have them eyes on him. Mostly the younger ones them were never too know where the music was at. They never understand the music. You know what I mean? Because people will understand the music. By 2010, people will understand the music. I mean, I thought the fans them, right? We can include artists too. But the people them who did understand the music are people who did have follow the singers them and the more melodious DJ them. You understand? And by 2010, 2011, by 2010, me actually I expect every artist to come with melody. You get what I say? Yeah, or not say every artist, because you know you gotta have some artists who are true to them, to fit them era. You get what I say? Because you have artists who do music from the 80s, whenever bus in a 010 up to them time there, and them you still would see them in the studio, or do them music and record and them thing there. So you still have artists where DJ under the old style, that flat line DJ thing without melody, and you know what I mean? It was boring at that time. By 2010, people them already consume too much of them sound there, so this is how Massacre stifle himself, and I tell you, say, I don't when a pattern, you hear me? Massacre when a pattern, I don't, because by at this time in a 2010, Massacre was in 2010, Idonia was still hitting out against Vibes Cartel, saying that, oh, them boy, they are sing, and we not sing. And you know what I mean? So, Massacre, as a young youth, saw things the same way as how Donia had seen things. Because you have a lot of DJ who believe that, to be an authentic DJ, you have to be true to the DJ thing by not following other DJ who is trying to sing or learning to sing or taking voice training for can hold better notes quality. And you get what I say? But it's all a part of growth. You want to, because you have to understand most of the fans them might eat up the melodious sound them time in a 2010. Them be tired of the flatline DJ majority. So if you did want to grow and get bigger and for garnered more fan and build a fan base to get bigger, you would have see it make sense to sing. Or if you can't sing, use some melody, some nice flowing melody. Because you don't want to can't sing for use melody as a DJ. You get what I say? So, yeah, Massacre, he was young. I remember in a 2010 now when I first hear about Massacre. So, I did up on the ends I juggle my weed and them thing there, you see me? We have people like Popcorn that come by and grab every day. Every night, because mostly night, me I see Popcorn link up on the ends, you see me? And I glue and grab by my buy. Them time the bounty killer come by high grade from me. You see? Be a top artist. Before them touch a party, them in at the 2 o'clock, 1 o'clock, after 12, and me and them a come link for the high grade. You see what I say? Yeah, so them time I'm in the music too, cause Russian them a come buy weed to the whole everybody. When I say Russian, cause Russian not really smoke, y'all know that. But Russian and the whole of him artists, them, the Shandizy them, we lock them, you see me? Yeah. So a regular we have freestyle weed pan them to yo, well a nanny bag, yo, all this, you see me? Cause we appreciate them work. You see me? And that is why Vibes Cartel being who he is, Vibes Cartel have entertained me with his music for so many years that him reach a point in my eyes where me know say, yo, this man have done so much entertaining me for years. Come find the music them very entertaining. Me I'm bridging them in a whole heap of conversation, fun argument, war talk, bad vibes, just because of Vibes Cartel music. With all them competitors, them nemesis, enemies, a whole heap of entertainment to get from Vibes Cartel, Cause remember when Vibes Cartel left one enemy, it's the next one that coming up. And it's the next one that come. Him never have to seek no enemy. So the levels where Cartel reach, me not have to be biased neither, because me know him. Me know what Cartel is capable of doing, and me know what he's not capable of doing. That is how long I listen him. So me hear some people say, Cartel do this, Cartel do that. Me know say, boy, yo, that sound like a big lie. But true people are say it, I could go check it out for see if it's true. But we already know say a false allegation because we've been around cartel for so many years where we were fans. So you see the haters them who weren't fans, them now gonna know much about cartel. See? The haters them just you have a lot of people who just take up what people say. Worse when people constantly find negative things to say about one person, you have other person where just a jump on the wagon. Cause them all say, no man, if people keep on and say the money raise something must wrong with the money. You know what I mean? That's how people see things. But them keep on forgetting that Jesus go through the same thing. For no, cause I guess what go on now, many of you people were attacking Vibes Cartel, you know. You have to understand, say, while Jesus was alive, enough people did hate him, right? And then the world changed because all of them people had die out, and then we come to learn the truth about the philosophy of Jesus. Seeing the man who they said died on the cross. Seeing what we know wasn't white, and we know say never named Jesus. Seeing kind of J never in the alphabet. J finally was added to the alphabet in the 1600. So there was nobody named had no J name back in the days. You get what I say? Yeah. So especially in the English language. So we know say I be a lie them tell us, in? Alright. So just saying that because I know say Vibes Cartel is a big idol of Massacre idolized cartels, in? Yeah. And him idolize Donia at them time, yeah. Zin, but me I show you something. Say Vibes Cartel Massacre more idolized from day one. But same with me, when me did kinda when Donia come out, me did kinda never listen to Vibes Cartel so much because you have a new artist now with a new style where me love, but me still never really put him over Cartel. Zin, but we just did a focus on him because we want to see Idonia come up and reach the cartel level. Because sometimes the artists them are up there already, you know. You have to left them up there and come see who down your song, what them are going with, you know, and try to support them if you have a likings into them or if you see potential within them. You get what I say? So I always a look on the lower level of the artists them. So I remember the day you know Massacre now came to my awareness, see? And I was, as I tell you now, I also weed and thing. When me I sell weed them time there, me have to up from 7 o'clock the latest. See? The latest 7 o'clock in the morning. By 7 o'clock every morning me have to out us up on the block. See? I'm now come off of the block until 2, 3 o'clock. Every night, no day off. See? Cause Sunday morning, early people are come, them want to go beach river and them want to get them stuff. See? So every day me have out. And thank God for the 2 years me I do that them time there from 2010 or from about late '09 to 2012. Me that hustle the weed every day, not the half. See? And thank God me never sick and never you get me I say cause me not sicky. Big man thing. From me a baby me not trouble with sickness and them thing they like other people. So if that me have to thank God for. Cause when me I go school, you have pitney where faint. See, probably hunger, probably them parents never parent them well, you know what I mean? Which we go through hardship, cause I know every time my mother could have find lunch money give we. See, sometimes we go to school without lunch money, without shoes, you know, we have to draw on our slippers. So we go through it rough too, you see what I say? Yeah, and we not beggy as much as my mother grew up we. I never have much for give away. My mother make sure teach we about the beggings, about the crediting for take things from people and our style that you see what I say? So we're always humble. You see what I say? I'm just grow up in like people where beggy and them thing there. Cause I never saw we grow and I know so it never grow. It never grow if you have them own thing. So that's why if you don't have no priorities in order, you don't fuck and breed and have pitney. See? And for the woman them too, the woman them, choose the man them wisely because a gonna end up with a belly. See? And the man never must really want to know just a one thing the man want to release some stress, you know what I mean? A man might not soon as someone to be with or to spend the rest of their life with. So uno must choose wisely as woman. You get what I say? Yeah. So the thing is with Massacre now, some of them on the ends I'ma see a vehicle pull up and in a 2010 this. And then beg we cause our ends acting be an artist pass through as me I tell you and be a thing. So you have only a flyer pace up on our ends with artists them time. But I know every artist in the island. Where you could have the Portland, I know every young artist. You could have mentioned a young artist to me them time there. Me no recall, remember the name or recall being around them. Because we had go island wide or artist music was so fun them time there and it was more essential than how it feel now and how it is. You know, people was more loving towards the music and the artists them. You know, artists not really get no praise nowadays. Back then artists used to get praise. Because people not really fancy artists now. You get what I say? So the thing is, The car pull up with some man where promote Masicka, but Masicka never amongst them Monday. So them beg we for pull up in flyer. And the flyer with Masicka where we allow them for put up on our ends. It was promoting Masicka birthday party. See? So this new artist, a through a party, he might keep him birthday party, but he might do it under a style where of a drawing new fans. You know, it's a good tactics, very smart tactics. Whoever they come up with it, you know, because nobody never really know Masicka them time there. So at that time, I believe the party that I keep coming, they read the flyer with them put up or the poster, whatever it was. Right? Remember exactly how it looked to. It was gold and black with some white writing and all type of thing. A Masicka up on the flyer with him shined, you know, him here they cut low and him have some bottles, like you know, champagne or something, ace of spades or something on it. You know, what I mean, I say, wow, it look good, man. The flyers did present very well. Because I see some money spent on the flyer there with the print tree and thing. See? So me did actually want to go, you know, to my pay some attention to the flyer. Me actually say, yo, I want got a party or the artist a party, you see me? So right away, him kind of gain me interest. See in Masicka. Alright. So I go so boom and me or two of my brethren are probably one. See? It's I'm not sure if I one or two, but some man where they on my ends, they were already familiar with the name Masicka and who he was. So by the time the man them pierce up Masicka flyer out 10 pound our ends, where I say, yo, me hear the two man them are one of my brethren I say, yo, me know him man. Me know him really you know, me hear two song from him man. So my sister, the young artist Masicka was already doing things for people know him. Cause people them meet their own are people where interact with artists island wide. You see what I say? Yeah, our people them time they are music people and bad man and them thing there. You see me? Yeah, bad man will roll on artists and the people them with me are roll with them time they them know other artists with me no know. So them, you know, the whole away. Even me surprise them enough time because you know what I mean? We even go in my place they go shoot Shandy's music video. But after that later on by like what 2011 or 20 yeah 2012 maybe probably 2011 you know we shoot the hello bad mind, good morning for Shandizi. Because Shandizi and Subverter them with their own at the time too, you know what I mean? Shandizi just a getting big boss. See? But here we go on now. From 2010 when I just a come across Masicka. See? Little from him poster pace up on our ends. We always a listen radio. Little from them pace up Masicka poster. Cause you know say a big project and big promotion them do for Masicka, you know. See? And little from that, Masicka song them start play up on the radio. And it's like, I start hear Masicka song on the radio and I see him thing there. And I see him in poster right before me. You know, and I believe me hear them actually promote the party that was being promoted on the flyer on the radio as well. So, you know, man come out with a, you know, a proper promotion. As an artist, as a them way that you want your thing be promoted. Zane, forget people attention. So me hear Masicka on the radio, and me hear him a DJ. And I say, no, sir. In bad, he might chat whole heap of lyrics, but at the same flat DJ thing where Vibes Cartel left from in 2006. So by 2010, we don't want to hear that again. Me I tell you. You see me? No, you have some people who like it. You know, as I say, I never everybody really aware of how the music stay. Because you have to have a level of intelligence and sense for no say the music require melody them time there. You see me? So we keep on a hear Masicka because some people rate him, you know, and Masicka end up use the same approach in our music that Eminem was known for, you know, which is going at people, you know, but Eminem was more severe in his attack because Eminem not spare nobody when he break out in the rap game back in the late 90s coming into the early 2000s. You know, Eminem attacked Britney Spears, Christina Aguilera, beard and niggas too, and you know the man not have no line where him draw, no holes bar. Anybody will say nothing shady about Eminem, he might kill them. You see what I say? So I kind of that same approach that me remember Masicka used, because most of Masicka song them was dissing all of the artists them. See, in I first set a song them from 2010 to 2011, even further in a 2012. But by in a 2012, people I tell Masicka say him need to find a hit song now, because them a hear him for 2 years I do these gimmicks and mediocre song people would call it. See, because it's just a bag of this song and me I hear Masicka's music every day. If a new one I play up on the radio, me I hear it and me I listen it to. Zine become one for like the artist and like his music, but me can't like it because me didn't know what the music that. I knew where the music was at and what he was lacking. Because Masicka lack the melody. Although I'm young, Zine, but you have young artists where, you know, very impressive. So I'm not gonna use the young thing or the age thing for give Masicka a slide. Because a Jamaica this, the greatest of the greatest we have from them a pitney. Zine? Like even QQ, you know? QQ style was remarkable too. Zine? What you gonna say? What you gonna do, Stooky? What you gonna say? What? Alima do melody. I like the way you move. I like the way you groove. You're taking me higher and higher. I like the way it feels. You know that this is real. It's taking me higher and higher. What you gonna say? What you gonna do, Stooky? So if a QQ was a little man that massacre, provide the people them and the massive with what was required. You get what I say? So me expect better from Massacre in a 2010. All right. So remember 2011 are the same type of song them. But me remember somebody that acknowledge the fact that a two artists alone in the 300 or 500 song them when Massacre do. Me notice say two artists alone him not this in the 2010, 2011, 2012 are coming out of business. And those two artists who him not this in him song them are Bounty Killer and Vibes Cartel. Whole heap of people in the streets there say, yo, Masicka is a Duonia fan, He's a Duonia fan. Enough people are calling him Duonia fan because at that time, through Vibes Cartel Lego them DJ style from back in a '06, and I do they keep it up and refrain from letting it go, you know. So that is why I believe that are one of the reasons why them possibly believe say, and that is one of the reasons why possibly so much people, must say, so much people find Massacre being like a number one fan to Donia, cause so them did have rumor spread on people, attack them shit. I say, yo, Donia, I'm rating him, follow Donia, boy can DJ, and Ray, and them always associate Massacre name with Donia them time there. Come up on music ends, all of the top producer them were reason, and you get what I say? Yeah, and people never, the artists them never so petty them time. They're like, no, if you go on social media and say a thing about an artist where, it's not really like, might you just tell your truth. But it's not no disrespect, but them are find it negative and them are go, might want pre you or not deal with you or not support the argument. You know what I say? So them artists are all them kind of weak up on certain things. So the thing is, Massacre got mama make on hear oh Massacre the DJ. Watch out.
Yeah, man. Sika, never scared. Right now in our studio, all motion style. So me have the chamber, cover the rain dance, and this sensitive man, the biggest set of this. I'm superb in every way. Smoke it like on top of me, act like a chill and rock and cock a bit. Talk your shit about a bit, not a bit. Pussy for chips is a punch that all of the loaded what it bring. Friends in the city, I'm on the next time, bring friends to the road, and me talk, I keep on the same. Friends in the dead, you can't see it, I'm the need, yeah.
All right. So some of the good things we can say about Massacre and film style when enter the business with, although it's similar to the Idonia. And you might not hear the similarities in other flow, yeah, because him a DJ upon a hip hop beat that, was different than our beat. So the music that have to swing. And you can see same mix the DJ with a rap one way. So this wasn't really the Massacre flow really. This was him experimenting on this was him doing his thing with a hip hop beat, which was different from him doing DJing on a dancehall hardcore beat. You know what I mean? But at the same time, the two of them had similar wordplay and similar topics and issues where him address them similar because are the same thing much about where him would have normally chat in him hardcore tune too. See? But you have to understand the good thing we want to say about Massacre though. Massacre gave birth to other artists like Lincoln T. Dot, whatever I want to name. See? Lincoln T. Dot. Yeah, and Massacre flow them in pattern and turning a DJ. See? Because Lincoln T. Dot and not DJ like really born for DJ, Him just have a brilliant mind and him love music and I listen to music. Just like anybody who is a dancehall fan, but them is not an artist. And Lincoln realize him can catch on and can write him thing and can spit it. Cause most of we know what we're capable to do until we try, You see? And not just that. And then Lincoln T that end up get some level of popularity from doing his thing, you know what I mean? Because them did have the urban freestyle thing on Zip 103, which, as I'm telling you, Lincoln T that had the Massacre flow when they are used. Zin, I'm watch Lincoln T that transfer, like him really transition into a more hardcore type of sex artist where I mostly girl song for girl go wild and can broke out pan, but a Vibes Cartel have them style a lack. Nobody can do them thing like Vibes Cartel. So you go find say Lincoln T that girl song them when do for them wine. You go find say, them not really connect like a cartel girl song. See? Where like when cartel say, um, cock up in a bed and and them thing there. And all when your parents are watch, get wild, pan up the head, response to nobody. The crowd, in the crowd, they love it when you know, yeah, like Vibes got to lock certain thing on, you know what I mean? So, so yeah, Massacre flow really inspired the youth them, even though Massacre style way man use was outdated. But the people them like him. And that, you see, once the people them like you, you'll get for survive. So Massacre did only a survive in the business back in a 2011, 2012, 2013, 2014. Him just there survive, but him wasn't no big artist. You know what I mean? Him still a get some show. Him still you know what I mean? I make money. Him still a eat a food out of the music because people like him. But he wasn't able to be up there with the big artists them, you know what I mean? That's why for years Massacre tell you say all him want is just to be considered as one of the top five DJ them. Which him end up achieve over a long period of time and too long too. Because watch this now. Alkaline enter the business, Alkaline enter the business 2013, And although Alkaline been doing things from 2010, them time the Alkaline in him school uniform in a 2010, I do him like a music said we and thing. See? So even Massacre should never allow Alkaline for come fly past him like that. Because if that make we have to look down for Massacre for no say him was the youth where we had expect and been looking forward to come run the play a certain way. See? But him fail for do. Yes, a Massacre did fail for do that, you see me? So the fact that Massacre now fail for come make the top five spot because remember from O10 coming in you have Vibes Cartel. See? Because between O10 and Alkaline entering at the dancehall, see? Between 2010 and the year when Vibes Cartel, and between the year 2010 and the year when Alkaline made his big break entry into the dancehall, the Vibes Cartel was outside and one at a time inside the prison, incarcerated. You see me? So Vibes Cartel still did remain current. Cause remember say by 2012 Vibes Cartel have sung a come out and say Gaza done, don't fret, or Gaza fans, don't fret. You see what I say? So the boss, Ray and and then the Tommy Lee collab they drop with Cartel in a 2012, say them a priest and them a informer, Sammy the Bull inform Pangati. So none of where they boy don't never surprise me. Listen to the rest of the story. Boy, I see the carrot on your chain and ton Bugs Bunny. Verse you can't run on Nissan Sunny. All him a do me think him a family and him a watch man pocket like say him funny. But long and do to Jesus, everybody see. Sammy the Bull in Farm Pangati. So not know where they boy do never surprise me. Listen to the rest of the story. Why you never was a bad man. You always was a informer. Try to say load Mr. Farmer. And him try to say load the Gaza. And that's why yeah, burn him. And that burn him. You see what I say? So cartel did always in the top five. You see me? Whether inside a prison or outside a road. You see me? And then him did find the back to life. Me want go back to reality. Want go. When the man they are prison, the man have number one song a road, a tear up road. You see me? Listen, you can't put my prison. And next, you love your man when you're missing. Stay far from war that a copper and lead. You can't get head when you're dead. You get what I say? So cartel did a bang from inside of the cell and outside. You see me? Yeah, so you have to understand now, say Massacre wasn't up there. And then you did have Vibes Cartel as one, Movado as the second runner up. The third artist before Alkaline did drop a road. We could have said Donia, Zane. Some would have decide for say Assassin, would have get the third spot. Some would have say other artists, you know what I mean? Yeah, cause them time they whole heap of artists, man, very consistent to produce big bad music. And no for that's Egyptian, cause at the time Egyptian did have the collab with him song Olia, when Nicki Minaj collab with him, give him a remix. Is what I say? So Egyptian, some would have said consider Egyptian as the third runner up, Zin? And then who could have give fourth? Well, the fourth, the fifth, and the third could have been between Idonia, Egyptian them time there, and the final one for make it fifth could be Assassin. Zin? Assassin did I find some song, Agent Sasko, or probably our next artist, Tommy Lee. Yeah, cause Tommy Lee was epic. Yo, Tommy Lee busted the epic. So Tommy Lee, With Tommy Lee the third. Would I get Tommy Lee the third? Cause film style is just new. Gaza man psycho. Run boy, yeah. Fall. Me no know about them, but me know about me. I Gaza we run boy, yeah. Boy come and flip ratchet. Me we push to your chest. Me we shoot some of them boy, yeah. Water send some cyanide with two drum of gunpowder. Boy just a lip them. Pussy mouth. Why we not free about ya? Why we not free about ya? You see me? Tommy Lee style did out of this world. Brand new. I swear, not normal. Would I say Tommy Lee third, them time there. Zane, and then Assassin and Duane and Egyptian can get the fourth and the fifth and the sixth. Zane? So Masicka never did in the top five at the time. You see what I say? So when Alkaline forward in the game now, you can know how bitter Masicka must have been. You know what I mean? Because him a put out enough work. Them time they must have 500 song when Alkaline by Alkaline for touch road. Must have 500 song a road. Zin? Where I get heavily radio rotation. Cause I don't know if I just spend what them spend in production team where help put him out. And then remember say Masicka did sign and link with Conscience. Zin? And then Masicka got follow out with Conscience. In the time when Conscience did have Delos and in brother um you know what I mean? When brother name, he'd have Dario and Delos. Yes. You get what I say? So Delos was in brother. Dario was Conscience bridging with him sign. See? May Conscience brother Delos rest in peace. You get what I say? Yeah. Big singer. Big singer. Man him coming like the Jamaican Kendrick Lamar. Or I should I say Kendrick Lamar coming like the New York version of Delos. The American version of Delos. Because Delos did out first. You see what I say? Yeah. But them share the similar spirit to me. Long time I don't hear nobody mention Delos, you know. You see me? Yeah, man, may his soul rest in peace. You see it? Big up Conscience. So yeah, so Masicka they struggle. Worse when Alkaline forward. See? And then Alkaline came with just melody and this weird close sounding sound of Tommy Lee. You get what I say? Yeah. I'm making some more fight. Him kind of use this alien sound, you know what I mean? Like, we come in peace and put it to music, you know what I mean? Them style like Alkaline forward with. So it end up, but you can say similar to Tamil, because Tamil have that style as you hear the similarity with Sentam Sayana, you know what I mean? Yeah, that will send other artists for go experiment with close sounding sound and you know what I mean? So Tamil inspired them to as well. Cartel are the greatest of inspiration. And yeah, so you can just know how bitter Masicka was them time they when Alkaline come and shake up the place, see? Because now if Masicka did there at the sixth spot and about for breaking at the fifth, it's like Alkaline come send him way back. Because remember, every time a new artist rise, you have other artists who impact from the artist there and just I get a lot of recognition easy where people were bridge current after the new artists them. You see what I say? Which Masicka never really theme thing never bring nothing for people bridge no current after because I tell you Masicka style did outdated. Even Alkaline came with melody. See? And say easy 1 2 3 fi we just look a gyal me get the pussy. A 1 2 3. You get what I say? Him basically a sing J still, you know, you see it? So him came with melody and Masicka start use melody. What happened? Them time there Alkaline are cracking out the business 2013 big. Cause the first song me hear for Alkaline are the one when him say breakout, 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 breakout. Breakout, 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 breakout. Breakout, breakout. And then man say, yo, the artists are sound good enough. Them time they not mix up with the cartel thing yet. And in 2014, Alkaline got this drop cartel, you know. See, in through 2014, cartel got released the song about life on a movie, Lions Gate. Another song the cartel say, anywhere I go, I'm comfortable. Zine, 2014, the song the release. I remember the mix. I remember all of the artists them with advice on the rhythm there. Where Cartel sing about. Anyway, I go comfortable. You know, and life on a movie, Lions Gate, work for the goal from a penny weight. Listen to your mother, me I tell you straight. You see what I say? Big song Cartel do in a 2014. And they have Omi Bling, one brother on the rhythm name Omi Bling. Theme producer them mostly did control the rhythm there. And they try push the artist them. They have a one like a bad song, but it never could have boss him. But them spend money on Omi Bling. See? Him have a good voice for DJ, similar to like a Donia, rough voice, course. See? So it was very competitive them time they know. Masicka kinda get last in the race. See? In a 2015, before Masicka finally could farm, when him start use more melody, and him start reiterate cartel lyrics, them go listen to Masicka 2015 song them. A whole heap of cartel lyrics them him repeat or cartel saying I'm sang them from early 2000 come up. A whole heap of little one line Masicka take from cartel and formulate this like a melody or sound now in a 2015. Cause him say the melody. But you see, when Masicka just a work on melody in a 2015, I realize him late because I'm just a go to the melody drawing board. I remember say for Cartel, in order for Cartel did for this try Movado, Cartel had to go to the drawing board from 2006, from the middle of 2006. So when by 2007, Cartel find him farm. See? Masicka we go in a theme drawing board in a 2015 was too late. Cause it had take a while for him master the art of the melody and then Alkaline done find him farm and I get bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger. While Masicka still a search and a experiment until 2016, Masicka go find the hardball. See? I remember say a DJ Sunshine save him, DJ Sunshine him all credit to DJ Sunshine and Corey Todd most of all. Because when the thing go on with conscience and conscience get him head bust out, see, Masicka did want destroy the youth where boss Masicka head because true Masicka the one destroy the youth about conscience head because conscience did sign Masicka them time there. You see me? But conscience tell the man them said don't do the youth nothing. And conscience bridging them vex with him because he make a man bust him head pan stage and the youth of boss conscience head pan stage was a next young artist who want fame, clout. Them time the internet not so popular too. You get what I say? So a long time. Him is like the first artist who look clout. For both conscience head pan stage. See, Masicka. So Masicka and conscience fall out now, because as much as everybody in a conscience, subconscious clang, them did upset with conscience for beg them for just spare the youth and nobody retaliate. See? But Masicka him take it a further step, right? By going at conscience and I go on interview, I put down conscience. So if that make me even lose certain respect for Masicka. Because as much as we love the foolishness, if a man say, oh, love him, and I'm gonna eat food, and him are the boss, and the boss say, love him, you just love the youth, see? And then peace better than war, So, we are defend war for, see? Just easy, see? And would I support conscience same way if conscience tell him dog them to mash up the youth. Because the youth are look clout, him obviously need a beating. So hopefully him getting speared by conscience kind of hopefully that change him. And it seems that it work. Because when I hear nothing from the artist again. See? Yeah, my people, so see a little video interview with conscience explain why, is this is actually conscience clapping back to Masicka going on interview and trashing conscience. So as I tell you in a previous video I make, just go watch my I do on your video them my Vibes Cartel and Movado clash and all of that. And where I explain how the interviewer them would have them would have tried to get feedback from another artist who have been dissed on their show. Therefore, if you go on stage and diss me, on stage I go reach out to me if I come respond. That's how them do them thing, Which me respect that. Make others can share their side of the story, So because so there's two reasons why Masicka ended up falling out with conscience, because in their pre-conscience, because conscience had invite Idonia, who Masicka had claimed that Idonia told producer not to vice Masicka, you know what I mean? Because as I tell you now, the early part of this documentary that Masicka only had respect for two artists when he came out using the Eminem strategy going at every artist. Just the female them in no trouble and just the and just him just never disrespect Bounty Killer and the Vibes Cartel. And I believe Masicka did this some of the woman him too, like him would have say, like if Masicka was disrespecting an artist, he would have diss them girl too. And make them know say them girl something stretch and like limousine, you see me? So so yeah, that are just two people Masicka respect when he enter the business. And Vibes Cartel and Bounty Killer. So Idonia had told engineer not to vice Masicka. It seems as if that had occurred in the earlier time when Masicka make him entry. Because enough people that talk about Masicka, them have them hype on him, but so This is Conscience giving his side of the story. You see it? I could see if we can play.
In
Why
Masicka.
didn't you? He says you didn't reach out to
I'm
him.
gonna reach out to Idonia for the treat. I'm gonna reach out to Popcorn. Popcorn and Dario are good friends. I'm in Europe. I come back today. The Kid Street keep tomorrow. I didn't call anybody from Subconscious. I never call Dario, Delos, Javaun, Tamale, nobody. But all of them show up because whose show is it? It's mine.
Okay.
So just out of respect, everybody just forward. And even if it was a case where I did invite these artists, them artists are giant in the music. And I'm not gonna make a simple lyrical confrontation between them and Masicka prevent me from doing something that will benefit the kids. I mean, like some money may look, I mean, invite them or a friend may look.
Okay, got you. So those are the big reasons why there is a split?
I think he's a good artist, a great artist.
Okay.
You understand? We bring him on your program to introduce him to the world. So, you know, so I believe.
Did you do anything for him? Subconscious, you think?
Yeah.
You did?
Yeah. We premiered videos here. You understand? With the CD promotion. All right. I did nothing for him. I only did songs, videos, physically carry him and pass out CDs with my hand and carry, make him pass out CDs.
Okay.
Email him songs to DJs and email the videos to TV programs, do collaborations. But we don't do nothing for him though.
Okay. Do you still have a relationship with Corey Todd?
We're trying to close out the business relationship that we have. Finally. I may have a little struggle with it, but it'll get done.
So there's no more...
There's no more Kanzi 876. It has been discontinued for a while now, for about a month now.
Why?
Internal differences. It's a number of things we're really put together to lead us to the point where we're at now. But I'm not the person that come and ear dirty laundry.
So the brand is dead?
Dead, completely. So you can look out for my brand now, February.
Okay.
Where this is just me, not me and partners. I don't have a regret. I'm not saying that Cortad and Ramesh are bad people, but you know, a business, you invest, sometimes it works, sometimes it don't work. Sometimes it's just unfortunate that the actual business itself was successful, but internal, small petty things cause between the partners cause the downfall of the business. So, yeah.
Okay, so where's that? Is that settled now, resolved?
And yeah, man, definitely. What happened is, I record a song for him, and him leak the song, and give some people who shouldn't get the song and them leak it. You understand? Apparently him thinks I'm gonna take it more serious than I actually did. And I put him in a situation, seeing where him feel like he was in danger. Okay. And looking back at it, from even the very same night I look on him and I say, yes, I can understand why him react that way. Him have a backline him and him swing it and run. Him swing it lick me ass up. Him jab, him get up, people run him down. Whole lot of things go on. It could have been bigger than it was supposed to be. And it wasn't, give thanks to that.
And it
wasn't a matter of me and him a fight and him lick me the back.
Physically,
It wasn't that.
You weren't in a physical altercation with him?
No.
A true fist and teeth?
No.
Okay. And it is resolved, you say?
Definitely resolved. Yeah.
So you and him on speaking terms again?
From the same night, me and him are talking. But right now, it's not a back and forth thing when I talk to him because the things that we discussed and the way we decided to handle it, him do it a different. The dancehall way. You know, go up on the TV and look like you're big and yeah, man, lick him in the back and.
Okay.
But me love it. And everybody for me love it. So no retaliation. He's a good youth. Right now, he might do some nice song too with some different people and I hope him thing work.
So Dem Ago.
Yeah.
Where's that feud? Is there a feud?
It's nowhere.
There wasn't a feud?
There was a misunderstanding and Dem Ago, I think, took it and he made songs and I don't know if it's say. There was Dem Ago have a program, Talk Your Mind. I don't like the program because of things that them say personally to make joke of other people misfortunes. Okay. You understand? There's a character named Walk and Talk, which I think is the baddest character on the program. Him said me not hotter than Rami's shirt. And it was very funny for me. I always watch him on the program but it was until them start for go a little bit too deep into some people's personal life and me probably take it harder than the people and even take it anyway. But it was never a case where I disrespect Dem Ago or I publicly state something like the program until after Dem Ago did a song and I had to go and speak to my fans now and tell them, say, yo, listen, and this is not something I'm running with, so we don't need the rally. And we don't need
so he made a song and you responded. And okay, so and it's done there, sir?
It's done for me.
Do you think Masicka and him go and clash at Sting or so?
I hope so.
Clash?
I hope so.
They clash?
Yeah. It's nice because Masicka is a young
man who
lyrical
wouldn't take on a clash. Would you take a clash, Conscience?
No, sir.
We were assuming that
probably
you would.
4 years ago.
You wouldn't take a clash?
I would. But no, none of my thing. Try to improve none of my thing. My thing is about me more in tune with just right now I'm there at a space where I just love music. And I'm blessed for the fact that I get paid for the music.
Okay.
And that side of something, the confrontation was never in my thing. So if I try pretend like I am that man now,
Okay, good.
it's stupid.
But who do you carry between in the Masicka, the Marca clash?
I don't know. Alright, Masicka more lyrical, and them have the young people listening to him. But them have more melodies and more punch. So it would have, I don't know. If we probably put one of them way over this and one way over here, so no physicality no go on. It's probably nice.
Would have been a nice, it could be a nice clash. You are perceived as being absent in 2014 from the local scene conscience. Is it real or just?
Very real, yeah.
It's real, you're absent. Deliberately so?
Not deliberately, but I know about it. You understand? I saw it coming and I knew that this was going to happen. You understand? Because we tour for extended periods back. And that is a big issue in Jamaica because out of sight, out of mind, you have to there and know what going on and I mix of things. So you find the extensive tours contributed to me not being present in dancehall for this year.
Do you regret it?
No, I don't. Learning process because at the same time, you need to be current in Jamaica, but when you have a broad fan base and you have fans from over this and this and this, so they need to see it too. Then you need to go and present the music, and not many people can have the opportunity to go and present the music on a regular basis. So I'm one of these people that were free to fly all over the place. So I have to represent Jamaica and represent dancehall music.
Fair enough. But do you recognize Jamaica as your base?
Yes, man.
It is your base.
Yeah.
And if you missed events like Sumfest and Sting and GT, which are catering a lot to dancehall, when a dancehall artist doesn't report, so to speak, to their fans on these platforms in the Jamaican space physically, are they running the risk of being dismissed, forgotten?
No.
You don't think so?
Dismissed and forgotten are them words not in my thing at all.
Okay.
I think these shows where you mentioned are major shows in Jamaica. Why? As an artist, when you're current in Jamaica, you should be on these shows. But I don't think anything is mandatory. I don't think you have to do it. You know, my career has always been something different. You understand? The regular thing I go on over this and me over here. So it's not a matter of not having respect or not seeing the value of these shows, but it's a matter of prioritizing, and you can't do the same thing every year. You understand? And then again, if I on them show the last year, I think it is fair to give the show a break this year and try something else and come back fresh next year.
Okay.
Because even though out of sight, out of mind, you still can oversaturate the market, especially a market that it shrink now basically because, you know, quite a front runners locked up.
So it must be gauged properly.
Yeah, man, you have to know what you're doing in business.
You have to know when to stay away and when not to stay away.
I mean, in days before now, an artist find a hot song or a hot formula. You see him everywhere, every show, with the same show.
Okay.
In Jamaica, but straight across the board until it played out.
But if you notice, I mentioned just about 3 or 4 platforms.
Yeah.
And one is not expecting that you're going to be everywhere overdoing things, but there are certain important platforms where both local and international fans expect a conscience, a leading dancehall artist conscience, and others in the space to appear, to actually report to them. Fans want to see you in the flesh. Forget about what the back-end stories maybe with promoter, because we know there's a lot of issues back there.
Yeah.
But the fans, they don't understand what are some of the causes, some of the reasons why these artists aren't appearing. And I think they want to see in the flesh. They want to feel connected to you. They want to feel that you respect them enough to walk on. And some of these promoters notice that the fans will probably hold it against you if you don't appear.
Look at it like this. All right? I think coming back to Jamaica, the important thing is to reintroduce yourself to the fans, to reconnect yourself with the fans locally, right? As far as international fans looking forward to seeing you on this stage, when you tour extensively, these fans see you anyway, on smaller stages that are closer to them, and even on big festivals that give you the same atmosphere as a Sumfest or a Rebel Salute.
Okay.
So it's a matter of just, you touch every corner, you understand? We go everywhere in the world with the same fans that will come to a Sumfest. When they right at them place like 2 weeks ago. You understand? So once again, it's not a case where I think that each of these shows are mandatory. Nobody ever became great by doing what is expected.
Okay. All right, sir.
Come on, respect.
Let's go.
Cool.
All right, there you have it right here in the segment Conscience. Stay with us when we come back right here on stage. DeMarco and later, Gully Bot. You don't want to miss that.
Remember me to tell you about bad mind friend. Come here, turn your back, them on your life, yeah.
So, you hear what Conscience say? Them say the dancehall space kind of get smaller because him say most of the top runner them for dancehall get locked up. When I just one man get locked up, you know, just one man on a cartel. But with one man gone, and a Vibes Cartel, it would want to seem like the entire dancehall gone to prison. You get me? I say, in his view, because we as the fans and the people where consume the music, we see dancehall out there, despite the fact that Vibes Cartel lock up. The music out here a play. See? So for sure, how impacting world boss is. You get me? Yeah, so I'm gonna see how that go with the whole conscience and Masicka thing. Then the Marco interviewer come next for come this Masicka and say call him a nylon, cause nylon card hard for boss. You see it? Yeah, so them time Masicka not really boss. And this are from 10 years ago, 2015. You see? So as I tell you, say it seems as if the Marco really finally send help for send Masicka to the drawing board, when the Marco go laugh off of Masicka, style him as a nylon card we hard for boss. And then with even Conscience saying earlier in this interview that when Winford asked Conscience about his take on how he would see Masicka and the Marco clashing, like Winford want to ask him, him would have feel say win and take the clash. And what the first thing Conscience say? Him say, well, the Marco have the melody, because now was required of melody. You get me I say? And then him just pretty up Masicka thing and say, Masicka a good artist too. And then him say, great artist. See him's like, him no want Masicka for feel, but him know personally say Masicka no really up there with the Marco. And not even say up there, but him delivery no up there with the Marco. Him content, him style no up there with the Marco at that time. You see me? But Conscience don't want to put down nobody, because that is Conscience. And that is why the crowd kind of see him as, this type of weak person. Because you have to understand dancehall rough, so all of the people who expect people to be a good Samaritan and act like this gracious person of God and of righteousness, you know, can reign in a dancehall, so you have to do like what Cartel do. Just like when them say when you go Rome, you have to do like what the Roman do. If you run dancehall and better than teacher, you have to still do what you do. You know what I say? And that is back down from no contender. You see me? Yeah, go all out. You see me? Show say you're bad, prove your badness. You see me? Now see even Tommy Lee proving badness. Enough clash Tommy Lee going on, That's what you say. I'll kill a Tommy Lee clash. Tommy Lee start clash from killer level. Come right now, You think Tommy Lee are easy blood clean boy. Tommy Lee a killer go for him still, but that is how impacted Tommy Lee was. That the monster boss of all bosses have to go for you as you make your entry. See him with Cartel. When Cartel make him entry, the monster boss go for him, Ninja Man. You get what I'm saying? So you have to make them big impact, them man. You see me? And Tommy Lee never back from killer. You see me? Alkaline back down from killer. Him throw some little shades when killer did disrespect Alkaline for the eyeball thing and you know what I mean? The demonic thing. Alkaline back down. And as I say, Masicka a good boy, can play a film card right and him rate bounty. Him never really upset none of the top monster boss them. Let me assure you, the bigger artists they make a big impact on them entry. Them never take long for grow. You see me? Yeah, so you don't know Vybz Kartel are the fast rising artist. Him learn fast, adapt things fast, change and keep on advancing. Just that's it there. You see it? So come Conscience have to drop Masicka from the label, because Masicka say, oh, Conscience a bait and he make we look bad, cause man a bust up him face and he must say, oh, Lowy man Ray. And so that made me lose off a Masicka. Cause for outshine the master. For try outshine the master. Zane, remember the first law, 48 powers of law that Zane? Yeah, I believe it's never outshine the master. I think that's the first law. And if it's not the first, it's either the second or the third. But it's never the fourth or nothing else. You see me? Never outshine the master, you see me, or try to. So that made me lose off a Masicka. See? And them time I read off the 48 laws power. So anyway, Masicka they continuously do some things to make me lose ratings off him. Because even with Alkaline getting out of the business, it make Masicka grow so frustrated. Remember from 2010 Masicka forward, and Alkaline now are the biggest thing after Tommy Lee come get that big break there where captivate the youth them, Because when Tommy Lee boss, I tell you, I live downtown them time there. And them time there, you have a youth where I do 9 to 5 work. And the man left him gone. And only one artist him listen. and a blood not Tommy Lee. The youth them make me all pay more attention to Tommy Lee's song them. Cause the youth they know when me start here other Tommy Lee's song like that. Wish you was a Christmas, wish you was sha la 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 la. You see me? And the youth them hear some new latest of Tommy Lee cause him a Tommy Lee him thing there. Bad man from downtown, you see me? Man no left him gun at night time I come from work. You see me I say, nah take no check on a loan Tommy Lee. And me all beg the dog for listen cartel. Come I say dog a cartel bust Tommy Lee, you know, if you listen to the boss. Him not depend on the music there. I just if you think not demonic brother, him not depend. You see me? But then cartel come stir it up to with Tommy Lee, you know. Cause when cartel I say, hey, rifle up in the head. If you know say you no want to see me eagle. You know what I mean? So Father devil, Pitney devil. Tell them I help me live, cause me now go buckle out heaven. Yo, right now me agree with that art too, you know, because yo, some of them people always say them I go heaven. If them I go, me no want go. You see me? Send me somewhere else. I swear. So that me show enough how you can sit through where cartel say and find it comfortable for say them thing there. We have to understand our entertainment and their sense in a way him say. You see what I say? So as I say, I see Masicka grew up very frustrated now when Alkaline boss and him start go at DeMarco, him start go at what him name? Him start go at DeMarco and Khalid them. Him go at Shandizi, Zin. But you have to understand, Shandizi a big artist them time they know it. Hello, bad mind, good morning. And hey, we don't want no strange face around we. You see me? Be a melody the artist them I use 2011, 2012. But Masicka him take till 2015 for got a drawing board for go search for melody. Zin. So him slow. And then remember, you know, cause enough of Masicka them interview them leave out the facts say Masicka get kick from Calabar, you know. You see me? Cause Masicka thief the Calabar equipment them for go bill studio and yard. Him thief the computer them from Calabar. Enough people can him and him team them wall it down, cause we know it can ruin him rep. But you know the truth, everybody for know the truth. You see me? The truth not for hide. You see me? I say the truth are the truth. Cause them will just tell you if you read him bio, them will just tell you say him used to go Calabar and him left Calabar and Rary and one time Calabar Virgin start producing music or record him, whatever. You get me? I say? Them not tell you say him get kick or them not tell you say him graduate or you know, nothing. So them just say he left Calabar and was being recorded by one of his Calabar schoolmate and whatever you see me I say. But I kick Masicka they get kicked from Calabar cause him thief the equipment them carry him yard for build studio and yard. And even recently, couple years ago, him give back the equipment, him buy brand new equipment and turn up Calabar thing and give back. But I just showing the take them, you see me? But a long time him should have buy Calabar all them thing the back, you see it? Long time, cause I just Wadi a couple years ago him give them back. Probably you know the 2020 or so. You see it? Yeah, about them time there, 2020. So so now when you see Masicka go at El Khalid them and the Demarco and a bag of people. Him just it frustrated because it's like him see say thing there, everything fail. And as soon as him drop from conscience, the man will save him a Corey Tad. Corey Tad him over almost everything. You get me I say? And up to now him and Corey Tad still a link. And then that's the thing because the fact him and Corey Tad a link so long, it would have come in like to me, Masicka behave himself. You see me? Because even me myself, I know the music industry rough. Even when a man believe in you or same believe in you and I spend money on you, Zinka we get signed already from 2007, you know. You get me I say, and we song get banned on radio stations in from 07. So it's like them already put a curse or a cramp on my career. But we're gonna break the curse, you see me? Yeah, cause Ran Mushet love off my song and spin that every time Sugar Wayne and all of them from FM FM, Irie FM, all of the FM them I play my song till broadcasting commissioner say, yo, shut down the artist that we don't want it. Just through my song have slew in it, the word slew. And then them did I tell the broadcasting commissioner tell my manager them and producer them say, we for scratch the term slew. Zine, cause me did say one of the lyrics in my song, where it get where song we talk about we get crazy radio play before it was banned. Me did say the black on black crime, a slew, you know, a slew them still or something like so. So them end up banning it, and them did one will scratch the word, but my manager said no, me now make my artist scratch the word because we have Capleton on radio every day. I said slew them. You get what I said? So it was just a favoritism and like it was just partiality being exercise and practice in the business where bigger artists have certain rights and certain privilege for say certain things while the young artists them where just come don't have that privilege. You know, you have to make your mark before you can make your talk. So yeah, so Court had saved Masicka And it would seem to me as if Masicka really behaved himself because Court had been trying with Jamaicans over the years. That's why me believe say Masicka is a cool youth where really is not really the gangster type of youth. So, I'm not say him never flick around gangster before and I'm broke years, but most of him years in the business is just choosing his enemies them carefully, like Khalid and DeMarco. You see what I say? Him not really go after no real top level boss. But we can say, yo, you know what I mean? Yeah, in my attempt of a cartel the later 2000 era, like later down to 2018 after Cartel give him the big song where him say more and be the main competitor for Cartel. Cause after him got into being one of the top 5 artists them now, Zine, since Cartel gave him the collab, Zine. Because me tell you, Masicka went to the drawing board 2015 and I do some song with I try out some melody, like you get 10 out of 10 out of 10 out of 10. And spread out again. Take out my pen. 10 out of 10 out of 10 out of 10. Just 10 out of 10 out. And I might try some more melodious type of sound. But I never really catch it fully and find him farm. Then, when him find him farm, after I'm going to do the song with Blurt Not Cartel, is like, cause remember, him there at the drawing board from 2015, him a learn, him a learn, him a learn. And then him actually find it, like really settle in. And him start even sing. One of the biggest song them him sing back in 2018 with Gaza Diva Princess did promote on our channel. And Masicka they play the keyboard in the forest, and remember, and it did get preview and premiere on Fox 5 with what's her name again? Lisa Evers, right? Yes, so Masicka find him farm late. And that's why I run it now. Zine, far him a come from, yes. But him slow. Him slow. And yeah, mother say him slow, cause mother try for save him and I say maybe I'm manager them did want him for do that straight DJ the all along, but I highly doubt it. You know. As I say, I know Masicka him figure say him want be authentic DJ like Donia. But I watch them all have to conform and adapt to the new way and thing for stay pulling the amount and numbers of fans what them have to this day, you know. Because if them never did convert, then everybody would have kind of slide from them, really. So, you see what I say? Masicka really take long for do what he was supposed to. And remember the hardball song where him do at that boss him. The hardball boss him. He never boss until all when you see him do Seven Sandbag and all of them song there. I think the Seven Sandbag are before the hardball. Cause them song they did just some little, song where you gotta play. Mostly high school you would play them song there. Catch no big people I want no vibes off of them. So me I say mostly high school student I play Seven Sandbag. I say like Seven Sandbag and them song the way him there do. When him find hardball now, boom if you want all, energy up there. And from here this the Danny Wagga dead, bury them. From here this the Danny Wagga dead. And him start exercise the melody. Cause Sunshine tell him say him actually give Sunshine the song there for play upon radio, and should scratch it and say, yo, go and go rewrite it, Masicka. Full time now, you do better. Come in. Long time Sunshine while him up. Zine? And I suck up Masicka take heed and go listen to her and go rewrite over the hardball song and present it again to her. And she know music because she come from somewhere where the music was nice at one time. Zine, so big up DJ Sunshine. Zine? Because she make now we can hold some meds off a Masicka song. Because I couldn't hold a meds off a Masicka song. All when him a clash from Shandizy I go off at the mark of them, Zine, him never bust until hardball drop. Zine, and that's so now him start find a farm. Him start, a develop a grow until the cartel collab with the Infrared. We're gonna take him international now that Chris Brown affair talk about him. You get me? Other international rapper talk about him through Infrared. And then it's like him find a gear. Cause him go do we have the cup or something. We have the leather, no dead, pan spot, murder, near for dead. If you make out a steel, so me pull up on the corner and take out a steel. Load up the lamp in I'm art and see if it real if we make out a steel, so me. We have the cup or something. We have the leather, we have the cup or something. We have the leather, no dead, pan spot, murder, near for dead, no dead, pan spot, murder, near for dead. You see me? Yo, bad song. The writing. Oh, So, with Masicka writing ability getting increasingly, like out of this world. You could have see same writing skill had, advanced and really was getting way better. From we have the clipper, we have the lead. But then with all the with all the new things that Masicka had adapted and learned and had added to his, quality of music delivering to the masses. Remember you have to add value, as much value as you can if you can learn to sing and them thing there. Increasingly beauty, fellowship and prosperity will come. You see me? Yeah, because may I tell you people, no joke. But despite the fact say Masicka writing skill get better and turn up now, someone came in with a major break in the industry. Just like Alkaline had done previously in a couple of years prior to, who am I about to mention? Rygin King. Zin. So Masicka again suffered another trauma. Because remember, he was like working tirelessly to become that top 5 dancehall artist, but there's always some barrier and hurdle for jump, some obstacle for remove. So the challenge keep on coming. That's why nothing not easy, and success not easy. Even when you have God on your side, or the richest man on your side, it not easy. I mean, it can be easy with God, but God not like nothing easy. So him no want we have nothing easy too. And the longer the battle, the sweeter the victory. The longer it take for you break through something, man. Once you finally break through, the joy and the happiness and the splendor, it's magical. Instead of something were easy, because when you break through something easy, I said, want something more challenging. You know what I mean? So that's why God make life hard tough enough for we. Even the most special people, them. You see what I say? So, Rygin King was a big obstacle in a Masicka way. Because Rygin King came with a unique style, very unique. Way ahead of time. Way ahead of its time. You know what I mean? And the people them just swallow it up. Remember the first song for Rygin King me heard? I always wait man I go get a fight. I know that song there. Me hear it in every dance. A song they can't stop playing a dance. You see me? Tough flow, tough delivery. The man have this sound where just people just gobble up and just crave for. People them just crave for like how I crave for that tasty meal yeah, from tasty. Big up tasty patty. But this another patty. You see me? So so when Rygin King had came in and flood the place by stamp people, I go crazy for the new entertainer. That every producer vibes him, every popular producer. And he was seen as a threat by Masicka. Because I tell you, Masicka really like work hard and tirelessly for getting at the top 5, See? And him even Masicka even throw some shades at Rygin King. But Masicka used the facts Rygin King slogan or slang where he must say one king, he must say one king, which enough people would have perturbed to be the dancehall king, but Rygin King never mean for disrespect Cartel. Because every them time the people acknowledge Cartel as the dancehall king. I don't know why people know act as if I know Cartel considers the dancehall king threw him out of prison. Because them time the people are even guys have members at this Rygin King I say, oh you say you're a king, Cartel a king. So even the song where Cartel do from him being in a prison with Skilly Bang, say him are the king, Skilly are the prince. People don't long recognize Vybz Kartel being the king of dancehall. See? From him Vybz King album. Yeah. So the thing was now, Rygin King came in as a threat. Masicka felt somewhat, threatened and have to do something about it. So Masicka used the one king slang that Rygin King used and throw some shade on him Instagram and make some posts that say, oh, them for talk about them a king and them just enter the business or something like so, you know what I mean? Which that again kind of rub man the wrong way, make man I say, yo, what kind of move that? It seems bad man. You know what I mean? So Masicka been doing some things. It's like him a walking a do on your footstep. Because if you go listen to my full documentary about how Vybz Kartel destroy I do on your career, you'll hear the similarities with how I do on your Masicka just make the wrong choices them. Vybz Kartel never make the wrong choice, me I tell you. That's why the mafia make up so much thing for the man name. Everything that the man do was ordained. That's why he might flourish today. Because a tree take long for flourishing on the greatest a tree them. You have to go into the Amazon for see them. And them they take years for become its full farm. You know what I mean? Full growth and whole heap of years. Whole heap. So Vibes Cartel are that tree in the Amazon wet and tall. If you ever drop out an airplane or one of them tree, they have to try catch it. Like how some of them try catch at him, like how a drowning man would a catch at a straw. Zin? So yeah. If you drop out a plane or one of them tree, they want try catch on pan for cushion your fall. So there's a possibility of you surviving the fall. Right? And we're not talking about season when we say fall. When we say season, we're not talking about season on the food. On the chicken leg. We're not talking about them season. We're talking about like autumn, winter, spring, summer, and fall. You get me? Yeah, so unfortunately now, Ragin King met somewhat of a demise where, he was shot up and, crippled. Hopefully him can walk again, because we look forward. We see him make improvement and we try, but we keep seeing a lot of negative impact in a Ragin King life that, I don't know what him do so that all these things have been seemingly haunting him. Because just recently now me hear saying baby mother get shot up and the title of the video says she cripple. Hopefully that's cap. But all these bad things just keep reach Ragin King. Is it bad mind? Because we know how corrupt the music business can be, when someone is, very powerful, especially as a new artist who pose a threat to other big artists or other artists who was out there before them. I expect to get a bigger shine before some new upcoming artists. That can rub people the wrong way as well. So, it can lead to people, becoming evil and committing some wicked acts. Or is it a case where Ragin King have done some bad deeds in the past and, they keep catching up with him? I don't know. What do you say? Type your comments down below. I'm going to say big up to my subscriber and big up everybody who has support the channel. And whether or not you wear Dolce & Gabbana or Chanel. You see what I say? Yeah, big up to the new subscriber, big up to the views them. Anybody who watch, I don't know. Anybody who stop and take a watch, big up on yourself. And continue support the channel, you see me? Yeah. Just give a little, give a little, give a little. One more time, yeah, give a little. Whoa, give a little, yeah, give a little. One more time, whoa. Yeah. Yeah, so Masicka really, after the Ragin King demise, Masicka again that. I don't know if he was applauding, because no, really and truly, you could never tell how, But no, say one thing, if I can't tell him now, I go applaud for him enemy demise. Them man, they are good man. That's why I'm telling you, I can't tell you anything about Cartel. Because I've been following them man before social media had following. So me I say, and we have followed them man from 03. You see me? 2003 to 2010, 2011, 2012, 2013, 14, 15, 16 and 17. Realistic Cartel go to 18, 19, 20 and 21. Him still lock up in a sentence and 22, 23, 24. And them couldn't hold him anymore. Tell Andrew Holness and Paul Lewin say 25 have to see him out the door. You see me? And that one. So Masicka find back him farm because the threat got eliminated. And put on a hold. So Masicka find back him farm and increasingly beautifully, advancing same way. Cause from him go find, say Masicka wicked up 2018, 2019, bad up them year there, but then the Alkaline and squash them kinda come in and squash them. I have to talk about squash them. Cause squash them enter in the 2018, so 2018, yeah. Squash them. Mad. But say Squash them did upload some song from earlier, but he make him mark and him said, make a body shake, got the cake. You know what I mean? Song they come bust Squash them and then Squash not stop bust artists like Daddy One, Chronic Law, be an artist, ZZ, Zai, or whatever the dog name. You see me? Yeah. And couple artists, well, we ask them enough artists Squash come bust. You see me? Come bustable. Big man thing. So even Squash them come make some big growth in a very short space of time. And Masicka still not make that impact there. You know what I mean? Even though Masicka thing gradually grow, which enough people that believe are the best way of that too, because you constantly grow slowly but surely. You see what I say? Slowly but surely. Because I saw the Tortoise won the race against the Hare, See? Because he kept going and going and he never stopped. He never quit. He never gave up. He never paused. Just like the Hare did. or some would say the rabbit. You know what I mean? So, and that Masicka do. Masicka is a tortoise in a dancehall. Yes, Masicka. Well, in truth, we say the crux. And you know, crux kind of move slow, but crux can run you down, you know. Some would have say Masicka are the tortoise of dancehall. You see me? Because eventually, and at the end, him eventually win. You see me? Because see them now, them have Alkaline on the back burner. Squash them now, lock up. Sorry for say. You see me? All I'm threat them has been, you know, some fault have been, you know what I mean, reach them. When I go say a quarry tad or none of them thing there because at the end of the day, you have to understand the music corrupt and anything is possible. But we know say Masicka had gotten frustrated when Alkaline had entered the business and get that big impact. I make that big impact there. So anybody else can make the big impact would remind me of when Alkaline had posed a threat similar to, you know, Rygin King as well. And Masicka shown his card. You know, him reveal, say, yo, look, man, I like how them artists here, I can make a bigger impact than me and my day so longer than them, you know. You see what I say? So Masicka gradually kept doing his thing, you know, throw some light shade. But as I tell you, Masicka choose in battles them carefully. You see me? Because we don't see him go at no none of the top level bad boss them. You see me? Even though Rygin King you can say is a top gangster madman too. Because you don't know a Mobia artist that and you know what I mean? But Rygin King record more clean than the rest of Mobia artists them. Like when you talk about Shaney and Tommy Lee them um and squash them and the rest of Mobia artists them for them rep really grimy and known to the streets. You get what I say? But Rygin King, don't get me wrong, a lot of people forward on the internet and accuse Rygin King of being involved in some grimy thing as well. But you're just not hear the vlog of them with it. You get me? But we've seen people over the years that say Rygin King do this and Rygin King do that and them man the wicked and a bad man and mix up in a gang and you see me? So one of them thing them man and then the thing we go on now, you know, Zane. Now after the squash them and the Rygin King impact, we had Keng and Skilly Bang. Major impact them make. Major impact. But we not see Masicka really go against them. We see Masicka team up with Skillibeng. But we know say him went at Skeng because Skeng had the reason why him not go at Skillibeng, to me in my opinion, in my view, honest view, I feel say a popcorn why Masicka never expose him card again to make some threat or throw some shade at Skillibeng. You get me? I feel say a popcorn save the face of Masicka right there. Because when Skillibeng boss, popcorn waste no time to start collab with Skillibeng. Zin? And you know say Masicka, when it comes to the Gaza, Masicka is like in the middle. Zin? When it comes to popcorn of being affiliated with the Gaza. Because even though popcorn and Vibes Cartel was known to be like, you know, ex-bridging, like they weren't linking again for several years. The Popcorn still walk with the Gaza thing over Vimed, you know, where people, you know, people assume and still affiliated but still refer to him as a Gaza member. So may I say, them still title him, even though him have him unruly thing big for many years, people still classify him as a Gaza member. See? So maybe that's why Masicka not really choose for tune shades at Popcorn. Because Masicka not war nobody after him did go off a Kalido and Dem Ago. Masicka decides say, yo, a straight focus on hit songs and, you know, making links. But as I say, him now go on link with the one that will make that big impact there and just come in with a one or two big song will just captivate a large crowd. So, you get what I say? Yeah. So, it a go pose a threat to him. But as I say, Popcorn now go start collab with Skillibeng, and on their collab, on one of the collab with Popcorn and Skillibeng, Popcorn sent for Masicka. Zin, and that I know the earlier year and the earlier time of Skillibeng career. So the fact that Popcorn pay Masicka for come collab with him and Skillibeng, that kind of kill whatever vibes Masicka had developed for Skillibeng if Skillibeng had posed a threat to him, which in my view, Skillibeng did, because Skillibeng made a major impact. You see me brick pan brick and then you don't know crazy amount of song 50 bag and the song name 50 bag tough piece of song. Everything Skillibeng was like a New York or American sensational rapper or something. He was crazy, you know what I mean? The youth them everywhere talk about Skilly Bang. Yeah, it's like them totally forget about Masicka. But not a joke. And then Skenga like the last one we see come make them impact there with him bad vice. You see what I say? And then we see because nobody never really draw for Masicka for collab with Skeng. So Masicka again expose him on with Skeng and say, look, I don't like you, you know. Cause you just come and you grab all these crowd with your two big song and then Tommy Lee go give her strength and then Nicki Minaj go give her strength. So here what? Masicka expose him and say, them boy they were Pop Marley, Ray. Zane. But now, to me, I feel said Masicka, the egotistical behavior now has died down because him a flourish majorly now, like we never seen before. Zine, and because I'm farm where I'm fine. When Masicka did sing Top Farm, you know, that wasn't really the top farm where him inner, you know, or where him was supposed to be inner. But him know say him a learn. That's why I'm saying top farm. Cause him know say him finer farm. But him still a grower because him, as I tell you, him kind of slow. The Tortoise a dancehall. So him probably feel to say him was at the extended the utmost platform when him do top farm and realize say him never dead here. So even now him still a find bad flow. See? Still a find bad flow. There's no telling how far Masicka could take it. But we know say if him continue going at this pace where him constantly going from 2010 for 15 years, we know say him not gonna really make it thus far for be considered as one who you would say um have something before its time or being something before its time, you know, because you want people say that before for you and about you, you know, say yo, the man there was before him time and was, you know, the man there was something futuristic, you know, like Cartel, them say that about Cartel, you know, when Cartel break into the business, they must say no, that brother futuristic, and then in the 2000 everybody was looking for a newer type of vehicle, newer type of space model design things. People was expecting the 2000 to just start with a bang, brand new technological devices, which we start to have 10 years after, which 2010 we have the iPhone now, you know, worldwide, and the you know, certain technologies, touch screen and everything there. But that was what the 2000 people was expecting the 2000 to be from 1999 and even before. So, you know, so now, as I said, Masicka egotistical behavior died down now because, you know, him have enough fans that say him are the baddest thing for quite some time now. You know, for probably the last 3 years. Last 3 years of Masicka career have been crazy. Not saying that 2020 and 2021 wasn't crazy too, you know, but, you know, from 2022, and him did find the song about, I mean, find the song where he must say, Undertaker, them up like Holyfield. How that song they go? But one of my favorite Masicka too, you know. I don't know how I take so long to find it. But Masicka song go about I'll be honest, different strokes, different folks. Walk down some and bust them head and run down some and stick them throat. Hot head no, me spliff them smoke. Serious, me skip them joke. Furious like float. Rich like Harry chips afloat. Liar when I miss a quote. Lataya have my dick a throat. That's what this try up on my hip sport. Big and what legend live forever. What? Go and kill a goat, swing a rope, pull my dogs them out and give my niggas hope some different kind of life. And now the ghetto man, a real survivor. Stripes, I mean, no mean no tiger. Lion, now the streets, my wiser. I don't know. The driver, see them there, easy drive, drop out. Hey, some different type of love with no pretense strike, a different type of pussy for my cocky dog, my bitch, my different type of money, yeah, we live them life, a different type of straining on my brain, it's somebody swing my lighter, different type of killer man, pretense strike, a different type of pussy for my cocky dog, my bitch, my different type of money, yeah, bad piece, that song, you see me? Yeah, from, I see Masicka chop them weird, eh? You see me? My granny tell me different strokes, different folks. Walk down someone, bust them head and run down someone, stick them throat. Hot head no me, hot head no me spliff them smoke. Serious me skip them joke. You know what I mean? But I owe him chop it, cause if you check it, you know, I'm not really saying nothing so extraordinary like what Cartel would have say, you know. Like when Cartel I say if y plus x2 equal I do the maths, take a 5, you know, and everybody do the maths. Cause him 2x them a fight and if x plus, you know, them there are some extraterrestrial type of lyrics and Cartel full of them, especially when him drop a jail and him start in the Skilly Bang era and just before the Skilly Bang era to Cartel find a new gear where him a chop. Even when him do the collab with TJ, you can hear the Cartel verse sick. Where him a chat some things, you know what I mean? And in a sociopath, you know, the Usain Bolt track where him do, you know, Cartel just a kill it, you see me? So we see where Masicka have been consistently being one of that. No more say Masicka can be considered probably in the top three. You know what I mean? Yeah, one of the top three. So he has been growing and him not stop grow. And we rate that, you know. But dog take long for reach there, which not no wrong because that's still celebration time for him. You know what I say? And him happy. Hopefully him strong enough to go against the social media critics, like even myself, because as much as we criticize the artists them, we just want them to present the thing them we like. You get what I say? So there's no hate really and no thing there, but we'll constantly tease and provoke them if we constantly see video about them. So that was one of them thing there. So these are just the truth and full documentary. Hope you enjoy it and big up the viewers, the subscriber them. And make sure, you know, if you can give a little, one more time, yeah.
Phone, give me phone, where they? What the phone them then? What the phone them then? Just tell about that you them are weird fire.
Grab them.
What the phone them? What the phone them?
Never did like that.
You're not the DJ. Give me the phone. Give me the phone.
See, that year I'm come out too hard, and then it's like, me I say, yo, him never really captivate the people for move so. You know, cause you notice the people them last stand up on him. I say, boy, here comes Masicka, we're thinking bad. I just stand up to the crowd game, you know. Him go on with a little excitement for them that year, you see me? Because I'm confident and him they tired to be seen as a mediocre artist, so it make him blood a boil like cargo.
Youth, come here. You afraid? I said bad. Alright.
Portmore, go on. I want to feel that Portmore a throat thing. Rough cut, bumps it low. Them a call up my name for on stage and for AR. And them know say me not afraid of people, me say big up the whole of Portmore. And you see if them violate me over your Portmore, them know what I got. Rough cut, what on?
All them a call me a blood clot killer. And me a go deal with the fingers and the finger. Because they don't know anything and anything. Then me a go deal with the finger and the a general like that.
Balance! Balance! Who do want your lyrics to lyrics? In a boy face me beat the lead. When man a bust gun them a pee bed. I do that no bad like me wrong clash. Show him out Instagram style him a pretty jet. Run it! Don't move it. Bump it low, see him with a Portmore. Hold on. Them a go on like them bad now. You know what I mean? Me see the marker come up here, run him run gun, that's why I work first. Him afraid of Portmore people them. Say afraid boy! You hear me now? Play it, let me talk to them. Hold on. Them say you afraid of Bunty? Nobody. Bean it? Nobody. I don't know nobody. DeMarco? Nobody. DeMarco want war and him a wash girl body. Me kill boy broad daylight like a day. But 90 fire. Next one. Hold on. Come in and come and Portmore for laughing people. But come and Portmore for kill people. If we don't want lyrics and lyrics, a young general, balance, rough cut. Dem Ago stop chase, frack face, cat face, you a bow cat, bout a long place. What place, which place, 6 straight out of it. What do them? Lift it back again. Me not come a Javaun to play. All of the bad man them in a Portmore, give me this. We not take violation from no boy. Me say big up Vibes Cartel, I one of the baddest artists. Bump me low. Rough cut. Them not have nobody to war me. Them would have to let out Cartel out of jail. Everybody else a go fail. Bumps me now, cause Dem Ago run gone. Him not have no lyrics. You see me? Them free. Mix. Balance. Dem Ago stop chase, frack face, cat face. You a bow cat bout your lock place. What place, which place? 6 race out of the clock. You a gal big spot, you a shit face. Rifle shit them. Next. All of the real bad people them. Turn it down. If a boy this my mother, I swear to God me done with music cause I'm dead. From your ear to your mother, make me hear some nice gossip. Boom, 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 boom. I put more on the yard. However you saw me born and grow. Turn it down. Let me talk to you people them. Cause them a go round my career. Them a try block me out of the business. Who they say talk your mind? Who do want me talk my mind? Balance, cause the business don't look right. I want you mix it now. Everything I do now is new. Listen. Me get all heap of fighting at the music. That's why me have my 45 in at the music. But he watch them a highlighting at the music. I pussy missing up and them a biting at the music. Play it, don't stop it. If a boy mad in his brain, tell him walk out on that stage, yeah. You see me boot? Me we kick out him teeth then.
So I'm never too like that performance, yeah? Because when him say I give the people them all 16 bar, I be a 4 bar him do. And just break, cause it's like him did nervous. You see me? Or him couldn't manage breath control, cause him a shout loud in the mic, you know. That I put in much more aggression in him voice. So him probably never master the breath control them time there for run so much. But you need at least, cause the people them a give him a ears, you know, but he must stop quick, cause 4 bar alone, you have to wait till you get a big forward. Then you can't stop. So stage show go. You see me? And them time in 2014, Masicka been used to the radio by now. 4 years that now Masicka get radio play. And him still a look clash for gain popularity and it never work.
And let him like gully back. Cause me a real bad man. But me DJ again. Bounce it low. Me kill boy, you no joke. Out of the magnum, everything afloat. Me be bust one in your head and one in your face. I'm ready, man, night to go. Bounce it. What are you ready now? Cause you know everybody know. Javaun, listen me there. Me kill veteran, me skill scout. Gun in a me hand, little boy, you no joke. We machine them not dirty, one of them Chris them not dirty like only pop mouth. Right to early for fun. What am I do? Javaun.
Alright, you notice him forget him lyrics right there, sir. With the gully bop thing. I'll show you.
What am I do? Javaun. We machine them not dirty, one of them Chris them not dirty like only pop mouth. Right to early for fun. In a me hand, little boy, you no joke. We machine them.
Right, that's why I made the mistake. My machine them dirty, but watch I miss a line, him forgot a line, just pray.
Gun in a me hand, little boy, you no joke. We machine them not dirty, one of them Chris them not dirty like only pop mouth.
You see it? You can tell, say, as a true artist, I can tell you, say, missing a line. Him no remember the line where him missing right there, so him just use up the dirty, said all I'm gun them dirty. Him use that twice before him catch back the rhyme for say gully back mouth. See me?
Early for fun. What am I do? Javaun. Show some love for the people.